So you want to get started into the Substack. In this step-by-step tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how you can create a newsletter for your writers, for your readers, whatever you want to, in a very simple and easy way. So if you were trying to find a platform where you can get started really fast and easy, you can publish directly to the right audience and actually get paid through your own subscriptions and organic subscriptions, you did find the right application for you. So Substack is an amazing place where we can get started with you. Actually, like, you just want to figure out how you can start writing articles, newsletter feeds, blogs, and much more. So in order to get started, guys, I'm just going to be showing you what I do to actually start writing. And the very first and easy part is to just sign up. So what I want to do to get started here, I'm going to hit into sign in. What you want to do is to either choose an email, hit to I don't have an account yet, and hit into sign up. Now, you don't have to worry about to get spammed and all that. This is only for actually starting, creating an account, and to be notified when people start to follow you and to subscribe to your own channel. So I'm going to go into get started. I'm going to hit into dive into your interest. This is only for recommended top publication bins based on the topics that we wanted to select. Let's say, for example, that I am really interested into news, literature, education, and philosophy. I'm going to hit into continue, and I'm going to hit into subscribe, two of them. Here's my email address. Subscribe and join. So with that being said, now I can start by creating my very first post. So I'm going to go and type here the name of my channel, and here into the bio you want to say something about what you're actually let's say you want to be inspired at. Let's say I want to talk about the world. I believe you can do so much more than that, but here you can continue. I'm going to go into start reading, and as you can see, it's now been enabled the new post section button that appears into the left part of our website. Hooray! Now, in order to get started, I'm going to hit into new post, and here I do have to create my very first newsletter. So it says create your account, your email address, hit into agree and continue. And just like any other place, it's going to be asking to create your web URL. So here you want to import your username. And if you see this check mark, it means that nobody used it before. So you're actually good to go. Hit into continue. And of course, you want to just complete the CAPTCHA, which is really annoying. But hit into continue once again, and you're actually good to go. Now, speaking about the mailing list, speaking about the newsletter, if you already have people from Patreon, from Ghost, from the MailChimp, from TinyLetter for your website or wherever, you can import a CSV file, or you can do that manually. If you don't have any people in there just getting started like us, you don't have to worry about that. Just hit into skipped, and we can continue. Now, here into subscribers, I'm going to hit into skipped once again. We have the recommended if you want to have more people into your Substack community, or you can go into recommended one and hit into finished. Now, I'm now able to go into the Substack section as a poster, as a writer, not as a reader. So let's publish a great launch post set in here. Are you ready to get started? No, you don't have to worry about that because it's really easy to just getting started. So if you want to receive money, you want to turn on the paid section that appears in here. So I'm going to click where it says turn up. I'm going to hit into connect to Stripe. And this one is going to be sending us into the Stripe app section, which you need to, of course, to sign in. So once you sign in, you just want to connect your account from Stripe into Substack, and we're actually good to go. Now, I'm going to close this for a second, and here you can import emails and connect Twitter. Once again, it's totally optional. Show your Substack wherever you have another places, wherever you have your community. And lastly, we have the write your first post. So I'm going to go into write your first post, and this one is going to be sending us into the editor section where we can actually get started. If you used Medium before, where we can let's say start to do exactly the same thing, you might be a little bit familiarized with all of the features and tools that appears into newsletter. If you don't have to worry about that because it's going to be really easy. So I'm going to go into not now, and here I can edit email header and footer. So if I choose this option, it's going to be popping up how it's going to be appearing in my email, my banner image, and my header for all the posts. Here's my email footers of how people are going to be receiving my Substack free section, and here you have the send test email. So if you don't know how to add this, what you can do is to look out for a free designer, for example, Canva. And Canva is an amazing place to design almost anything totally for free, and you can do almost whatever you want to do. So go into, let's say, for example, all the templates that appears in here to choose whatever you wanted to, totally for free once again, and you can import that into your Substack. Here is the part where I actually want to start talking about my actual subject. So is it really worthy to buy an iPhone these days? So as you can see, I do have the upper side where I can have a few tools. So if I click into the enter mark, for example, I want to add a new image. So I'm going to type here where I do want to actually start creating my image. So I'm going to go in the insert image, and here you can choose add image, and here you can add the image that is let's say created from your computer, or you can go into the add gallery and you can just drag and drop, or what you can do is to hit into the search bar, and here it's going to be appearing on Splash, a place where we can find all your assets totally for free. So if I type my keyword, for example, iPhone, it's going to appear in all of these different images that I can choose totally for free. So you just need to type the option that says insert, and automatically it's going to be appearing the credits down in here. So I can just start to write my very first post. Now, if you want to figure out how does this actually works, for example, here, let's say that this is a title, the beginning are hard, I'm going to hit into this button, and here into style you can choose, let's say, for example, heading number 2, and it's going to be popping up like that, and you can bold this so you can be a little bit more highlighted like that. I'm going to delete this. There we go. Now lastly, I'm going to be showing you something else that's going to be really accurate. So in speaking about a newsletter, let's say that I want to make people buy something, or just hit into a review, or make some Amazon affiliation program. So for that, I'm going to scroll a little bit down, and you might see here, let's say ignore our advice. I'm going to select this option. Like I'm going to type something like, if you want to buy this item, you can go in here, and here what I want to do is to import a button. Can we add that? Yes, we can. If I scroll all my way down, I can see the buttons, and here you can have the subscribe, the custom button, the share this post, blah blah blah. So I want to look out for a custom button, and here to enter text, let's say I'm going to type buy now, and here I want to type apple.com. So lastly, I want to add just the HTTPS file like this, and hit into OK. And here, as you can see, it's been generated my actual banner. So if I clicked in there, it's going to be sending me into the actual link that it totally works. So I just want to go back here, and I want to preview how it's going to be looking into my mobile, as well as a website inside a desktop. So this is my newsletter. As you can see, it doesn't look very bad. It actually looks really great. If I go into the desktop, this is how it's going to be looking inside a computer. Once again, it does look really great. If you want people to see your content as a paid subscribers, you want to choose the option that says paid subscribers. So with that being said, guys, this is how we can get started by creating some newsletter inside Substack. As you can see, it was really easy, nice, creative, and of course we can get paid just to hit up some subscribers if you wanted to. So it's totally up to you how you want to share this into your social medias, into some of the blogs, into some Facebook community sections, wherever you wanted to. So don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Hopefully this was very useful information for you. And with that being said, guys, I'm really happy to see you on the next video, guys. See you soon.